Hi friends, this is Hafeez, Tariq Hafeez from VU Multan campus. Today our first tutorial for dev installation and configure. Okay. First of all, double click on dev C plus 5.6.0 or dev CPP 4.9.2 something. Okay. I am using 5.6 and my window is 8.164 bit. Wait few seconds for unpacking uh, this this file. Press OK. I agree. Full package using uh, for select full. Press next button. This is our path of C plus, dev C PP. C program files 86. This file is 32 bit. Okay. Oh, next button. Wait few seconds for installation. Yes, this is our installation of dev C plus 5.6.0. Okay, click finish button. Okay, first time configuration. Okay, select English. Press next button. No any change. Click next button. Again next button. Wait a few minutes. Just log in YouTube. Click sign in button and use email ID and password for Gmail. And Java is successfully configured. Okay, press OK. Wait few seconds for open this application. Okay. Um, Sorry. This is my playlist. Different topics: Java, C Sharp, SQL, HTML, and CSS, jQuery, and more other. Simply click on your desired playlist. Wait. This time I'm only two video upload recently days. Uh, uh, Click this video. Uh, our dev C++ 5.6.0 is open. Uh, this is new program start, and this is open other project create some time before, and this time just click a new button. Just click on source file. This page is show on screen. Okay. Friend, I'm save time, and this program I'm already create. in dev C++ 5.6.0. This is our header file hash include IO stream, input output stream. This is a main statement using namespace std. In our lecture CS201 not using this string, but not compile any program today's and latest dev C++. What not use this statement. This is our a function of main is a function and powerful function. Okay, this is our curly braces, body of our this function. Main parentheses, this is a function name, and this body of function. C out. C out means all strings display on our screen, and this is used for break line. This is used for break line. Okay, and this part is stay on screen. This program prompt command stay on screen. Okay, check for this result. uh, this is our dev program. This only compile, not run. This only run, not compile. This button is both work, compile and work. I am using this option. Yes, this is our command prompt screen. Uh, this hello world, our string. This is a string hello world. Uh, Easily change this string. Tariq Hafeez. Okay. Uh, this only compile. Yes, our program is successfully compiled. This run, only run. Uh, Sorry, I'm not save this program. Mm, oh, already run this program successfully. Yes, this run our program. Okay, in prompt. Press any key to continue. Okay, okay, great. Finish. Uh, and remove this statement less than colon form a backslash n and watch result on screen. Okay, check this result. uh, our all result in single line. But our first program, our first line is Tariq Hafeez and here, and other lines press any key to continue. Okay, and remove this statement system pause. Check this result. Yes. In the latest program, use stay on screen option in background. Okay, okay, and I discuss with you my all tutorials in at the result, but mostly student complain not easily visible result and text to other friends. Google is multiple cases, all videos of 144 pixel and 270 pixel. 770 pixel is a high definition result, and 480, 360, 480 and 720. This is high speed internet user, and low speed user 240 and 144, and with screen option and device with. Uh, this bottom right corner show gear button. Click on this gear button and select quality option: 360, 240 pixel, 144 pixel and 720 pixel. Click on 720 pixel. This show HD result. Okay, this 10 not clear all text on screen. um, Wait a few seconds. Oh, so I'm use proxy. This time proxy is closed. Friends, uh, this is your assignment, CS201. Next tutorial, in this program, create and compile with the result show. Okay, please my videos like and subscribe my channel for new videos and tutorials. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.